What if I told you that you could attract women without saying a single word? Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth. Women are far more attracted to a man's presence, confidence, and body language than a cheesy pickup lines or clever words. In fact, what you say often matters less than how you carry yourself. In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 powerful, nonverbal secrets to effortlessly attract women, backed by psychology and proven to work. Stay till the end, because I'll share a common mistake that instantly kills attraction. If you're doing this, it's sabotaging your chances without you even knowing. Welcome to the untold truth. Let's dive in. 1. Master the art of eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools for creating attraction. It shows confidence, dominance, and genuine interest. Hold eye contact, don't stare. Make eye contact for 2 to 3 seconds, then look away. This builds a sense of intrigue and confidence. The triangle gaze. Look from her left eye to her right eye, then to her lips. It's subtle, but incredibly seductive. Don't look away first. The one who looks away first shows submission. Be confident and hold your gaze. When you can confidently hold eye contact, you communicate desire, power, and self-assuredness, qualities women are drawn to. 2. Command respect with your posture. How you carry yourself speaks volumes. Women are naturally drawn to men who display dominance and strength. Stand tall and relaxed. Keep your shoulders back, chest out, and head high. This posture shows confidence and self-respect. Take up space. Avoid crossing your arms or shrinking yourself. Instead, use open, expansive body language. Move slowly and deliberately. Quick, nervous movements signal insecurity. Move with calm confidence. Women can spot a confident man just by how he enters a room. Stand like you own the place, and she'll notice. 3. Use the power of a genuine smile. A confident, genuine smile is magnetic. It shows you're approachable and self-assured. Smile with your eyes. The Duchenne smile. A real smile involves your eyes, not just your mouth. Women can tell when a smile is fake. Don't overdo it. Smile naturally and at the right moments. Constantly grinning can come off as awkward or try hard. Use the slow smirk. A subtle, confident smirk can communicate playful interest. A smile is a universal sign of friendliness and confidence. Master it to make women feel instantly comfortable around you. 4. Project confidence with your walk. The way you walk reveals more about you than you think. A confident walk exudes strength and assertiveness. Walk with purpose. Don't shuffle or drag your feet. Walk with a smooth, deliberate stride. Keep your hands visible. Swing your arms naturally. Hiding your hands can signal anxiety or insecurity. Relax your shoulders and keep your head up. A relaxed posture shows you're in control. Imagine you're walking like a man who knows where he's going. Women will take notice. 5. Dress sharp and pay attention to grooming. You don't need designer clothes, but looking well put together instantly boosts your attractiveness. Wear clothes that fit well. Avoid baggy or ill-fitting clothes. Tailored, fitted clothing enhances your physique. Focus on details. Well-kept hair, trimmed beard, and clean nails make a big difference. Smell good, but not overpowering is subtle. Masculine cologne can be unforgettable. When you dress with intention, you project confidence and self-respect. 2 traits women find irresistible. 6. Use touch to build attraction, subtly and respectfully. Physical touch can create a powerful connection if done correctly. Start small and casual. A light touch on her arm or back when emphasizing a point is subtle and effective. Gauge her response. If she leans in or touches back, she's interested. If she pulls away, respect her space. Escalate naturally. As comfort builds, make touches more intimate, like holding her hand or a gentle brush on her shoulder. Physical touch creates chemistry. Mastering it makes your presence magnetic. 7. Use silence and presence to your advantage. Confident men don't rush to fill every silence. They're comfortable in their own skin. Hold eye contact during silence. Silence can be powerful if you're confident. Maintain eye contact and let the tension build. Don't over-explain yourself. Say less and let your actions speak. Mystery creates intrigue. Stay calm under pressure. Women notice how you handle stress. Stay composed, and you'll appear powerful. When you can be comfortable in silence, you radiate strength and confidence, qualities women find irresistible. Now, here's the number one mistake that kills attraction instantly: acting needy or desperate. When you chase, overtext, and seek validation, you show her you're not high value. Remember, high-value men let women come to them. If you master these nonverbal secrets, you'll effortlessly attract women without saying a word. Speech balloon, which secret surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I read every single one. If you got value from this, smash that like button, subscribe to the Untold Truth, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.